Feeling lost in the podcasting jungle? Today, we're cutting through the chaos and giving you a guided tour of the Buzzsprout interface so you can master your podcast workflow in minutes. Let's start with the heart of Buzzsprout, the dashboard. Think of this as your podcasting mission control. Here, you get a bird's eye view of your recent activity, episode performance, and essential updates, all in one clean, easy-to-read layout. Next up, the Episodes tab. This is where your content lives. See that big, inviting upload new episode button? That's your gateway to sharing your voice with the world below. You'll find a neatly organized list of all your published and draft episodes, ready for editing or promotion. Data is your friend. The Statistics tab unveils the secrets of your audience. Dive into insightful charts and graphs that track your downloads, listener demographics, and popular episodes. Use this knowledge to fine-tune your content and attract even more listeners. Need a website? Buzzsprout's got you covered. The Website tab lets you build a professional website for your podcast. Even if you're not a tech whiz, customize the design, add your branding, and showcase your episodes with ease. Don't miss the navigation menu on the left. Here, you'll find quick access to other essential areas, including Marketplace to enhance your podcast, integrations to connect with other services, and account settings to manage your profile and billing. So, there you have it. A quick visual overview of the Buzzsprout interface. Now you're equipped to navigate the platform with confidence and create amazing podcast content that your audience will love. Happy podcasting.